So we brought in a new Paladin appliance. In this case, for this house, is complete load of the house. Once the connections are all made, we can see the system's pumping out plenty of PV, charging the batteries, and the grid is still completely off. The main panel and the main meter is completely off. This house is running completely off grid right now. I think the installation went smooth. A lot of the electrical that needs to be done prior to the install is there and ready to go for you. Most others, there's a lot of commissioning process you have to go through. So with Paladin, all that stuff's done for you. You don't have to worry about it. Come in, make the connections, fire it up, and you're off and running.